Hey, Janilsa, we talked about a lot of turns. Inside turn, outside turn, left turn, right turn. We did all the turns today. And also Copas, right? See? We also did axle turns. So we're gonna explain that individually so you guys understand what an axle turn is. Because some of you guys are just got here 1 month. And you're like, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna explain it to you. But the first one we started with the left turn, so we did a basic 1, 2, 3. We prepare on the 5, 6, 7. Then, as she continues, I do a crossbody and I move her frame towards me instead of the follow being straight. So the follow is slightly to the left, but not completely. That's what you shouldn't do, follows. You should do this instead, like right here, instead of being hello.
Hello.
So aquí. This gives the follow momentum to the turn. If you don't see that in the follow, if you turn like this, no momentum. And also, don't do this. Even though you have long arms. I don't have long arms, I have shorty arms. Yes, but I go to the side. Then we do the outside turn, 1.5 turns, 7. Yes? After that, we're gonna do a Copa. So what do we do for Copa first? Open break, lead step back with the left. Stretch and stop the follow on the side, not on the back. If she does that, inside turn is gone. Yes, the follow has to be here, not aquí. She went too far. Yes? And I'm stopping the follow with my forearm, aquí. Then I direct the follow to an inside turn on 5, 6, and 7. Yes? For the second combo, we did a crossbody first. With 2 hands, inside turn after, 1. Inside turn after, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let me explain what an axle turn is. So the half right turn, we do 1, 2, 3, then we do 5, 6, 7. So the half turns can be done going forward and forward, half. Or they can be done sideways, 7. That's a axle turn, half of an axle turn, yes? Which in this case, we do first a half right, 5. So we do a half right first, 1. Then I turn the follow using an axle half turn, 7. So I go right, left, right. Then basic, 1. And then I did the combo for 1.5, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And we know the rest, yes? So I'll do the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Half turn for me. Axle turn for me. Right turn for the follows, 1. Left turn for the follows, 6, 7. Cross body, outside, 5, 7. Copa, 5, 6, 7. And we're done. Yes? Capiche? Okay. 1 song to practice. Let's go.